Hi, I'm Joyce from Coast. Let's walk through how to set up preventive maintenance, also known as recurring work orders, in Coast. Preventive maintenance helps you stay ahead of breakdowns by scheduling work before something goes wrong, so your team isn't always reacting to emergencies. To start, click Work Orders and PMs on the left side of the screen. This is where you can create and view all your work orders and preventive maintenance tasks for your team. Then, click the New button in the top right corner to create your PM. Start by entering a clear, descriptive title. This makes it easy to see what needs to be done and which asset the PM is for at a glance. I'll call mine Monthly HVAC Maintenance. In the notes, I'll add that it's for our rooftop units. For priority, I'll select Medium, and I'll assign it to Warren. Quick tip: if you have a team member who is always responsible for this PM, choose that person as the assignee now, so all future PMs are automatically assigned to them. It saves you clicks and keeps ownership clear. You can also attach files here, like manuals or diagrams, but we'll skip that for now. Now let's set the PM schedule. Click on Due Date and pick the date you want the first PM to be due. I'll select December 12th. From here, click Add Repeat. This tells Coast how often and when to generate the PM. You'll see options for daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or a custom schedule. Since ours is monthly, I'll select monthly. Here, you can choose whether the schedule repeats on the second Friday of each month or on the 12th day of each month. Because my team handles PMs on Fridays, I'll select the option to run this every month on the second Friday. You can also choose to end the recurrence on a certain date, after a certain number of PMs, or let it run forever. We'll leave ours set to never, so it continues until we decide to change it. Now let's set when this PM shows up on your list. The start date controls when the next PM appears on your list. By default, it's set to 1 day before. I like to see my PMs 1 week early, so I have time to plan and balance the workload. So I'll change it to 7 days before. To do that, click Add under Custom and put in 7 days before. Now, each occurrence of this PM will show up on your calendar 1 week before it's due, giving you plenty of time to prepare parts and schedule your team. Now we'll select the location and asset for this PM. We'll choose Facility 1 and the HVAC machine. As a best practice, we don't recommend assigning more than one asset to a single PM. That way, each asset has its own schedule, and one delayed job doesn't hold up maintenance on other equipment. For parts, you can choose the parts needed for this PM, and Coast will attach them every time the PM is generated. This makes it easier for technicians to know what to bring and helps you keep inventory accurate over time. For this PM, I'll select the HVAC filter. After that is the procedure. Here, you can select a procedure to attach to the PM. This is the checklist you want your technician to complete. I'll choose the monthly HVAC PM procedure that I've already created. This keeps the work consistent, no matter who's doing the job. Once everything looks good, click Create. You've now created your PM. You'll see it in your list view, along with your other work orders and PMs. If you'd like to see all future PMs on a calendar, go to the top right corner, click the drop-down, and select PM Calendar View. This lets you see all your PMs laid out on a calendar so you can spot busy days, plan staffing, and make sure nothing gets overlooked. Here is the monthly HVAC PM we just created, and you can see it repeating every month on the second Friday. Back on the dashboard, you'll see a widget called PM List, showing the number of active PMs that are due. Click on that widget to see the full list of PMs that need attention. And that's it. In our other PM tutorial, we'll walk you through how to build these reusable procedures step by step. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.